Hi, this is me, Dr. Rukmini Chaudhary. In this video, I will be talking about R26 Dr. Rekvek German Homeopathic Medicine. So we will be covering everything about this medicine, like medicine's name, medicine's combination and benefits, what are the doses of medicine for the better results, from where you can buy the medicine, medicine cost and MRP. We'll be talking about. If you are watching on YouTube, link are given on description box. You can buy medicine from there. For 26, and this is the homeopathic medicine, Dr. Rekvek German Homeopathic Medicine R26. Let's talk about the medicine name, draining and stimulating drops. So this is the medicine which is given when you have long term chronic disease, and after that you have drain out feeling, you have lethargic, you are prostrated, there is a prostration, fatigue, weakness, draining out. So in all those cases you can use this medicine. Talk about the medicine's combinations benefits. See, if you find any medicine, we will be explaining any medicine among them, you find that your symptoms are linked with the medicine, so you can use that individual medicine. And this is a drop form, and these are having many medicine in this for a better result. So number one is acid nitricum. See, in homeopathy, acids are given, mean acid, there are some medicine that are prepared from the chemical kingdom, and these are acid. So acids are given when you have weakness. So number one symptom is weakness, and acids work very good when you have weakness. Acid nitricum is a very good medicine that is given when you have weakness, you are having lot of sweat, you have perspiration, and you are having your heart problem. So in that case you can use acid, or it is mixed in the medicine. And now the acid fast. See, acid quite famous in homeopathy for overall weakness, like you're having mental weakness and you are having physical weakness. So in all the cases acid fast works wonder. And if even you are having dizziness, you are having vertigo, so in that case, yes, you can use acid fast. And iodatum or calcium, it is again mixed in the medicine. See, calcarea iodatum maintains the stickiness of the blood, so this is a very good medicine for that purpose. As the name suggests, ferrum. See, ferrum iodatum is given when you have pale face, when you are anemic, when you have the dull face, the pale face, and you have again you have headache, you have stomach ache. In those cases iodatum works wonder. So these are the medicine mixed together for better you can use. We already informed you that if you find any medicine resembling with your single symptom, you can use that single medicine independently, or if you find any difficulty while resemblance with your case, so you can use this drop form medicine. Now the doses, how you take the medicine for the better result. See, this is in the liquid form, drop form. Right. So this is look like this, and you can use this medicine in 2 to 3 spoon of lukewarm water. Always remember that in lukewarm water, not in normal water. It should be lukewarm water, or 10 or 15 drops. If you are having mild or moderate case, then you can use minimum dose like 5 or 10 drops in some water. And if you are having severe problem, like you are immune system is weak, compromised, in those cases you are supposed to increase your dose. So you can start with the 5 or 10 drops, and you can go 15 or 20 drops in some water twice or thrice, or even 5 or 6 times. It depends completely on case. This way you can use medicine. Always take homeopathy medicine before having meal, because homeopathy medicine works very good when there's no smell in the mouth. So try to use medicine before 30 minutes of your having meal, and you can use even after 30 minutes of having meals, after cleaning off your mouth. These are the doses of the medicine. Now the medicine's cost, you can buy the medicine, sources of buying of the medicine. See, it is written that the cost is 235 rupees, or it can vary from time to time. And the medicine's manufacturing is March 2019. So it again the time, and always focus again on the expiry. So in homeopathy, yes, medicine have expiry like 2 years, 3 years, and even 5 years. So always check all the details. The sources of buying the medicine. See, it is written that it is homeopathic medicine, so you can find this medicine only on homeopathic online store. We have provided link on the description box. If you are watching on YouTube, your nearest doctor, homeopathic pharmacy, you can buy these medicine. So hopefully these video can help you. If you find these video informative, knowledgeable, please like or share. You can press the bell icon to get notified. We have put many videos on the end screen. You can press on them for information. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.